Okay, so we have this picture here, and it's a pi function, so it's creating this, and this part rep inside, or rep 1 through 10, just repeats whatever is here 10 times, so we get that. So that's a vector that goes into the pi. Now maybe you could try and check this yourself. Like if these are different values, then the slices will be different sizes. And then the labels are my colors, which these were the labels. And then, I'm sorry, these are my colors. And then when we set the colors in the pi function, when you change the colors parameter in the pi function, that apparently does this, gives you the colors. So you could play around with this and see how that works. Okay, you can also adjust the text characteristics so that you can get something like, well, so you can adjust the text axis, the axis text, and again, this is the number indicating the amount by which the plotted text should be scaled. So you can check out, you can play with these and see what they do. Parameter specifying text size. Now here he's going to change these parameters, and he's doing this in a parameter statement so that everything created after this will have these properties. And here you can check the font size, the font family, and so on, the font stuff. And apparently you have to do some special stuff to change the font family. So you can explore this as well. Like he does something special here, I guess. And then he says if you're doing it, outputting in PDF, you can read about it here. And next he talks about the graph dimensions and the margin dimensions. So he says this 4.3 setting pin 4.3 produces graphs that are 4 inches by 3 inches tall. So you can set that with a 1-inch margin on the bottom and top, and a 0.5-inch margin on the left, and a 0.2-inch margin on the right. So you can look at a tutorial on margins here. So now he goes through an example. Here's the same data we had. We save our default parameters into OPAR, original parameters. Then we change this to this, this to this, this to that. Okay, let's try it. Okay, so now what do we have here? No. Should get 2 pictures, so maybe I have to do one more. No. Let's try that again. First, set the par, and then the next par, and then the next par. Okay, and then the plot. So that one is there. I guess that's the same one. And then the next one. Why are they all the same? That's the same. Where's the different one? Here. Anything else? Let's see. PG. Maybe this one. Oh, one is stroke A and one is stroke B, I guess. Okay, there. That's the other one. So color red, color blue, color background green. Okay, so you can give that a try. But we can see that the size comes from 2 by 3, and I think he also adjusted the margins. Maybe not. Maybe he didn't adjust the margins. Now also remember at the end he does par, so this, I'm sorry, does par with that. So now we set the options back to the original options. And now they're all back to the defaults. And he gives an explanation here. And he gives the pictures here. Okay, we do adding text, customize axes and legends next.